butter plate.
Yeah. Okay. Get inside, guys.
Also, pa ng chopping board ang bread and butter plate.
Guys, we call it a nut box.
Okay, na 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Garnish. Meat.
What particular product are you using?
Meat. Meat. Red meat. Meat.
Bread.
Meat. Bread.
Parang sweet.
Sarap ito.
The green color are for the vegetables and for the fruits. So whenever you prepare your garnish here, please use the green one, not the white one. The white one is for the bread and the pastries. Bread. For bread on the white one. The red color, the chopping board, are used for
Pork, meat,
meat, yes. Raw or cooked? Raw. Uncooked, raw. Red meat. Red chopping board are for raw
Oo, unsa ka nila?
while the brown in color
207.
for the brown chopping board. For the
Meat vegetables.
still for meat but
Red meat.
cooked
Red
meat
meat.
already.
Burger shocks.
Ang red
Yuwa.
cooked
Pagdam ko. Ano?
yellow color
Banana.
for poultry and then the blue
Match naman yung gulo.
Secretures.
seafood.
Secretures. I love it.
Pastries.
The blue chopping board
Secretures.
the yellow for the
Pastries.
white for the bread, green for the
Pastries sa una ka lang. Secretures.
Ito mo na dapat.
Seafood.
and the brown for the
Secretures. Shokui. Okay.
yeah.
Napalagay sobrang tando eh.
Sana siya tacos o
Tacos.
kape. Sa coffee maker man na siya ma'am.
This is for the coffee.
Coffee bean.
We call this porta filter. Porta, P-O-R-T-A.
Para nas kape.
Sabi ko pork.
Filter. That's I-L-T. Filter. Porta filter. Porta filter.
Pag-upload ako video ba? Kaya yung tingog ako yun yung...
Tama raw pa.
A two-spout porta filter. A porta filter consists of a different portions. We have the handle, we have the ear, ito. Then we have the spout, either a single or a double spout, and then you have the basket. This one is for
Luya sa bata. Ano po pa ako yun?